Welcome back to my video, and today we are going to be playing, today we build fire alarms and something special that is really big. So I'll show you the tour, then I'll show you the fire alarms. So actually, I'm going to show you the fire alarms and the tour, then we're going to test the fire alarm. So, fire alarm right here. We have a little hallway right here that leads to the big room. We have a fire alarm right here. And then we have the stage, and then this here is to turn off the lights. Just pretend, okay? And then, yeah, we have a little this thing, whatever this one, and it goes to the hallway. It goes to the kitchen, which is pretty cool. We have the reset switch right here, and yeah. So, came in there. Now we're walking down this hallway. There's bathrooms in here. There's nothing in it. I didn't put anything in the bathrooms or the whole entire building. It's just actually called church. So we have this to see the degrees 70 right now. We have a fire alarm here, and then this is the playroom, and then this is the other playroom with windows. We have other playroom. This is for older kids, and this one's for like little kids. But yeah, we have a fire alarm right here, like I showed you. And then going down here, we have another room. It's a big room. It's pretty big actually, not really like that big. Anyways, yeah. Come in here. If you come in here, we have the kitchen 2. It's a little bit small. We have the exit right here. We have another fire alarm right here. And then if we exit, we have another one that says 71. And then we actually have another one next to the hallway, which is 69. So I gotta get these fixed. I have to get these to the same degrees, not like the different. But yeah, we have the kitchen. This goes to lead another exit. And then, yeah. That's all the tours. Did I show you something else? Yeah, I showed you the... Now we're going to test the fire alarm. 3, 2, 1, go. I should put it a little bit slower next time, but... yeah, pretty cool. Then I'm right here. I'm gonna go reset it. And then after that, there is grass over here because I was trying to put the note blocks. I'll show you when you reset this. Put that right there. Go back inside. Oh yeah, do you see the grass right here? That's for the note blocks because it'll be like weird if there's like a hole in here. So I decided to put that. Yeah. You know, I should put some fire alarms over here as well. You know what? We're doing the part 2. We'll put some more fire alarms. Like, I should put it right here. I think this room is already set. I should put one right here. And 2 fire alarms. I should put one right here if I can in the part 2, which is going to be tomorrow or the day after. Maybe it's going to be the day after tomorrow. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.